Let us see onto the summit. We reach the top. That topics brainstorming question and answers we will solve today. Okay. Let us see question number 1. Summarize to the class in your own words the highly risky and dangerous journey of Tenzing and Hillary from the base to the top of Mount Everest. You have to discuss with in your class the dangerous problems they faced during their expedition. Okay, orally I am telling the answer. You write down in your notebook. The journey of Tenzing and Hillary was really risky and dangerous. Really, their journey were dangerous. 1 hour of steady going, they had to pass up the steep line of rocks. They had to climb the snow covered slope. It caused slanting up and down. By the help of rope, they went over the dangerous ground. They were thirsty and tired, but finally they reached the top of the Everest. Okay, that much answer is expected here. Let us see question number 2. A2. Question number 1. Complete the web highlighting the feelings or emotions of Tenzing after reaching the summit. Okay, Tenzing's feelings, emotions after reaching the summit. Answer, write down gratitude to God. I am writing here answer. You also write down in your notebook gratitude to God. Gratitude to God means he offered some biscuits and candies to the God. Placed offerings to God on top. Okay. Adjusted flags. Adjusted flags on the Mount Everest. Next point, right? Red scarf made by Tenzing felt that his friend Lambert was with him. That is too much lengthy point, so I am not writing here. Next point, right? Embraced each other to express joy. Embraced each other. That much only, right? Because here not most place is there. And last one, right? Exhilarated for completing the task. Exhilarated for completing task. Write down okay, that 4 points you have to write over there. Let us see the next question. Glance through the text again the qualities of Tenzing Norgay. Pick lines that show his technique qualities. One is done for you. Okay, already one is done for you, and that is written patriotic. And the lines, I told Colonel Hunt that I was carrying the Indian flag with me and I would like it to on the top with other flags. Okay, second point, right? Aesthetic. Aesthetic, that line, right? My first thought, gratitude to God. My first thought, gratitude to God. Next point, right? That is emotional. Emotional, that line, right? I was wearing a red scarf. I was wearing a red scarf. I remembered him. I remembered him. Okay, and the last one, right? Humble. that line, right? The tea smell kerosene. The tea smelled kerosene. Enjoy it whatever the smell. Whatever the smell. Okay, that answer is expected here. Let us see next question. Question number 3. Write down the significance of the following in the context of onto the summit. You have to write the significance, means the importance. For example, importance of the following points. Red scarf. What is the importance of red scarf? Red scarf. I am telling orally, you write down in your notebook. It felt tensing that his friend who had given it was with him. He thought that whoever given that red scarf is with him. Okay, that's why here he mentioned the red scarf. Next, hushyar. That is the word, means caution. Climbing down needed to be caution or it might result in the accident. Means you have to be more cautious whenever you are going down. Okay, that is the meaning of this. Next, kerosene flavored tea. It was the tea provided by Noisy, who in a hurry he brought kerosene mixed tea to welcome them. Next, ice axe. It is a multi-purpose hiking and climbing tool used by mountaineers. Tool म्हणजे एक साधन आहे जे माउंटेनियर्स यूज करतात. नेक्स्ट, anchor. The person follows other climbing person has a difficult job both climbing up and down. He connects the other person. With the help of this, he connects the other person. It makes the climbing person remain fixed to any place. Such person is called anchor. Understood what is meant by anchor? Okay, let us see next question number A3. Add suitable suffixes tion, ly, ment, ous and prefixes an, l, im to the words given below. One is done for you. They have done, that is absolute. That is no prefix for that, and the suffix here added absolutely. Next, fulfill. We have to write prefix unfulfilled. What is that? Prefix unfulfilled. Write down over here. And the suffix is fulfillment. Fulfillment. Next word is there, that is determine. Determine, that is you have to write prefix also and suffix also. Undetermined and determination. Undetermined, undetermined and determination. Determination, suffix also and prefix also. Next, danger. Danger, endanger and dangerous. Endanger and dangerous. Next, tight. Airtight or untighten, you can write untighten, right? And tightly. Tightly. Okay. Next, clear. Unclear and clearly. Unclear and clearly. Next, show. Ensure and surely. Ensure and surely. Next, legal. Illegal and legally. Illegal and legally. Next, legitimate, illegitimate, and next, illegitimately. Last one, possible, impossible, and possibility. Impossible and suffix is possibility. Okay, that much question answers you have to solve in your notebook. Next question answers we will see tomorrow. Thank you.